Today, we are excited to show you on how you can make your own resin and wood coasters. First, we will start with making our mold. This is made of wood and wrapped in a packaging tape made of plastic. This is to ensure that the resin will not stick to our mold. We ensure that everything is covered by packaging tape. We then prep our wood to fit inside our mold. We made this using our table saw and a few adjustments along the way. As you can see, it is 3/4 of an inch thick. Then we mix a small volume of liquid marble so that we could stick the wood to the base. This is to ensure that the wood will not float during the pour. Now it's time to mix our resin and pigment. We use a couple of different pigments for this project. Make sure to mix it evenly for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour immediately after mixing. This is to ensure that the resin does not start to cure while in the container. Now it's time to swirl. Make sure to swirl until you feel that the resin is starting to harden. This will take usually to 40 to 50 minutes. After 24 to 48 hours, it's time to demold. This will be hard enough to use our router. You can also use a planer if you want. Now it's time to fill the holes or divots left after routering. Then you can also start to edge your piece. After that, we will start to sand. We start from 80 grit up to 320 or more. Then we will start to cut it to the final length of our piece. It's time for the final sanding and application of either oil or laminate finish. Then we are done. If you enjoyed watching this quick tutorial on your do-it-yourself wood and resin coasters, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you for watching.